The Crontab Command. Scheduling and automating recurring tasks in Linux. The Crontab command is a powerful tool in Linux that allows you to schedule tasks to run automatically at specific times or intervals. This is useful for automating routine system maintenance, backups, and other repetitive tasks. Let's dive in and explore how to use it. What is Crontab? Crontab, short for Crontable, is a system utility found in Unix-like operating systems. It is designed to schedule commands to run automatically at specified intervals. Here are some key points about Crontab. It allows you to schedule recurring tasks and jobs. Crontab enables you to run commands at specific times, automating system maintenance, and more. Each user on the system can have their own Crontab file, allowing for personalized scheduling of tasks. The cron daemon runs in the background, checking the Crontab files and executing scheduled tasks accordingly. Let's explore some basic Crontab commands. To view your Crontab, use the command crontab -L. This lists all scheduled cron jobs for the current user. If no Crontab exists, it displays no Crontab for username. To edit your Crontab, use the command crontab -E. This opens the Crontab file in your default editor, creating a new Crontab if none exists. Changes are saved when you exit the editor. To remove your Crontab, use the command crontab -R. This deletes your entire Crontab file, removing all your scheduled jobs without confirmation. This action should be done with caution. To view or edit another user's Crontab, use the command crontab -U username -L. This lets you view or edit another user's Crontab, but it requires root privileges. Replace -L with -E to edit, or -R to remove. Let's explore the Crontab syntax. The basic structure of a Crontab entry consists of 5 time and date fields, followed by the command to execute. Here is an example. ******** command to execute. Now let's break down each field. The first field represents the minute, ranging from 0 to 59. The second field represents the hour, ranging from 0 to 23. The third field represents the day of the month, ranging from 1 to 31. The fourth field represents the month, ranging from 1 to 12. The fifth field represents the day of the week, ranging from 0 to 6, where 0 is Sunday. After these fields, you specify the script or command to be executed. Now let's discuss special expressions used in Crontab. * matches any value, representing all possible values for that field. Comma specifies multiple values, for example, 1, 3, 5. Hyphen defines a range of values, for example 1-5. / specifies step values, for example */2, which means every 2 units. Finally, there are predefined shortcuts for common schedules such as at yearly or at monthly. There is also at reboot, which runs once at system startup after a reboot. Let's explore some common Crontab examples. To run a script every hour, use the following entry: 0 *********/ path / to / script sh. This will run the script at the beginning of every hour every day. For a daily backup at 2 a.m., use the following entry: 02 ********/ us or /bin/backup sh. To schedule a weekly log rotation, use the following entry: 00 *****0 /bin/rotate -local/bin/rotate-logs. To run a task every 15 minutes, use the following entry: /***15 ***** //scripts/check-service sh. For a monthly report at 7 a.m. on the first day of each month, use the following entry: 071 ***** /home/user/generate-report.sh. Finally, to run a task on weekdays only, use the following entry: 30, 18, asterisk, asterisk 1-5, /scripts/workday-backup.sh. Now let's explore special syntax and environment variables in Crontab. Crontab offers special shorthand entries for common scheduling needs. At reboot runs a command once at startup after the system reboots. At yearly runs a command once a year at midnight on January 1st. At monthly runs a command once a month at midnight on the first day of the month. At weekly runs a command once a week at midnight on Sunday. At daily runs a command once a day at midnight. Finally, at hourly runs a command once an hour at the beginning of the hour. Here is an example of how to use these special entries. At daily/path/daily-backup.sh. At reboot/path/to/startup-script.sh. Crontab also uses environment variables to define the execution environment for cron jobs. Shell specifies which shell to use for command execution. Path defines the search path for commands. Home sets the home directory for the cron job. Mail to specifies the email address to send job output. Leaving it empty disables email notifications. Here is an example of how to define environment variables in Crontab. Shell equals /bin/bash. Path equals /us or /local/s bin /us or /local/bin/s bin /bin /us or /s bin /us or /bin. Mail to equals admin@example.com. The rest is to run backup every day at 2 a.m. 02 asterisk 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 /scripts/backup.sh. Now let's explore managing cron job output. Crontab allows you to manage the output of your scheduled tasks. To redirect output, use the greater than symbol to redirect standard output stdout. 2 greater than an ampersand 1 redirects errors to the same location. You can also discard unwanted output by redirecting it to /dv/null. Here is an example: 02 asterisk 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 /scripts/backup.sh greater than /var /log/backup.log 2 greater than an ampersand 1. Here is another example where the output is discarded: 03 asterisk 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 /scripts/cleanup.sh greater than /dv/null 2 greater than an ampersand 1. Crontab also provides email notifications. By default, cron emails all output to the user who owns the Crontab. You can set the email recipient using the mail to variable. To specify multiple recipients, separate the email addresses with commas. To disable email notifications, set mail to an empty string. Here are some examples. Mail to equals admin@example.com. Mail to equals admin@example.com, alerts@example.com. Mail to equals empty string. It's important to note that only output sent to stdout or stderror will be emailed. No output means no email will be sent. Let's explore some troubleshooting tips for cron jobs. Path problems can occur if cron uses a limited path. To avoid this, use absolute paths for all commands and scripts. Permission errors can happen if scripts are not executable. Ensure scripts are executable with chmod+x and have proper permissions. Environment variables can cause issues if cron has a minimal environment. Define all required variables in the Crontab. Syntax errors can prevent jobs from running. Double-check for proper Crontab syntax and spacing between fields. To debug, check the logs by reviewing system logs for cron-related messages. You can use the command grep -cron /var /log/syslog. Test scripts manually by running your script from the command line first to verify it works. Finally, redirect output by capturing all output to a log file for debugging. Here's an example. Asterisk, 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 asterisk /path/to/script.sh greater than /tmp script.log 2 greater than an ampersand 1. Let's explore some best practices for cron jobs. Document everything by adding comments to your cron tab explaining what each job does when it was added and who added it. Secure your scripts by using appropriate permissions for your scripts and sensitive data. Avoid hard-coding credentials in cron jobs. Stagger job timing to avoid scheduling multiple resource-intensive jobs at the same time. This prevents system overload and performance issues. Monitor job execution by implementing monitoring for your cron jobs. Set up notifications for failures and track execution times to identify potential issues early. Use version control by storing your cron tab and scripts in version control. This provides history tracking and makes it easier to roll back changes if needed. Handle errors gracefully by implementing proper error handling in your scripts. Ensure they exit cleanly and provide meaningful error messages to help with troubleshooting. Remember, a well-maintained cron tab is key to reliable system automation. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.